Greetings family, you're live on Revolutionary Camp. This is Bomani and this is our morning exercise session. We have our morning exercise instructor, Catherine, here. She's working it out and she has been providing one of the best morning exercise and meditation session, a combination of both. Throughout the morning, every morning, and has been building a good following.
Yeah.
Is that the word?
Yeah, I think so. Not so much following, but participation for sure. People are coming out, more and more people are coming out. Why? Because they have passion!
That's right.
And they're starting their day off right here.
And what is the secret to get people out early in the morning, about 6 o'clock after they've had a long day the night before?
I think the people who come realize that they are getting a benefit. Otherwise they would not come. So they realize they're getting a benefit not only in stretching the body, but also entering into the right spirit for the day.
That's perfect, and that was the purpose of us doing morning exercise and meditation, but sometimes it's hard to get everybody out there. It has been incredible, and the more people can get out every morning, the better it is, because once they're in tune, they can just have a mellow day and just go with the flow. And usually, for the most part, we do a good amount of walking, so that will keep those, the muscles nice and stretched out.
Right. Okay, well, you and me.
All right.
You and me. Woohoo! Go B! The birthday B!
All right, perfect. Well, appreciate your energy. All right. All right, and we have Eugene here. Big, strong man.
Yeah.
So what's the big difference between doing the morning exercise and stretching, calisthenics, yoga type work versus hitting the strong iron?
Okay, well, yoga versus weightlifting are two different kinds of fitness. Weightlifting is what you call resistance training, where you're building up muscle, you're lifting heavy objects. Whereas yoga focuses on flexibility, which is one of my weaknesses. My left hip is probably the stiffest part of my body, and it also focuses on mental inner peace, spirituality, being one with yourself. So they serve two different purposes, but they're both equally beneficial depending on what your goals are.
All right, cool. So how was the morning exercise working out for you versus you lifting some weights? Because we have a long day sometimes.
Yeah.
So we do a little walking.
Okay, the morning exercise, I'm benefiting tremendously from it because even though I'm naturally a morning person, getting up isn't that difficult for me, but getting my body to wake up is a different story. So I've discovered that doing yoga is equally as challenging as lifting weights, just in a different way. If you're not flexible, this can be very challenging. So that's why I'm really focusing on doing this, because I have far more experience lifting weights than I do performing yoga. So I'm doing this yoga to really work on increasing my flexibility.
All right, cool, perfect. All right, well, family, ship over here to Muhammad before we close our session. Appreciate you, Eugene.
All right, thanks a lot, Bomani.
And Muscle Man here, but most important, check out the t-shirt. And on that note, family, take care, and we'll see you on another session.